I present this application, which in the first instance has as its main objective the real-time monitoring of the power parameters of a photovoltaic solar installation for power inverters of the hybrid type. This application is part of a larger project that I have called Forum U, and is in the final phase of implementation. The general concept can be seen here. The idea is to measure the electrical parameters delivered by the grid to the power inverter, the energy required by the loads and the energy delivered by the batteries in the form of discharge power or in the form of charging power. By a simple algebraic operation it is possible to know the effective solar energy, without considering conversion efficiency losses. This is the fundamental equation. This application requires the following hardware to work. 1. An E-Stron brand current meter. Model STM120, STM220 or STM230 for measuring power on the side of the grid. 2. An E-Stron brand current meter. Model STM120, STM220 or STM230 for the measurement of energy on the load side. 3. An RS485 to RS232 converter or RS485 to USB converter. 4. A battery meter brand, Victron models BMV600 or BMV702. 5. Of direct PC to USB or RS232 connection cable that connects the Victron meter to a Windows 10 PC. A power inverter of any brand and model. What the application that I present to you is the following. Every 1 second read the data of the grid, loads and batteries, obtaining for the indicated algebraic sum with the corresponding signs of the terms, the effective solar energy that is being produced and that will go to feed loads, charge batteries or it's exported to the grid. Once each of the E-Stron meters has been configured with the speed, baud rate, which must be identical in both, and indication of the RS485 slave number, which must be different. These same data must be configured in the part bottom of the application screen. Another data is the serial port numbers corresponding to the RS485 to RS232 converter and the port assigned by Windows to the V-Direct interface of the Victron battery monitor. From the tests I did, I realized that it is possible to obtain approximately averages the following information from any power inverter. 1. Power inverter consumption in watts. 2. Conversion efficiency from alternating current to direct current for charging batteries of the power inverter. 3. Efficiency of conversion of continuous current into alternating current when the batteries are discharged by feeding the loads. For this reason it is indispensable to start from this data in an approximate way provided by the manufacturer of the power inverter. Then the software will correct this information. The values are self-adjusted by the software and that are shown in this zone. You can take them as more accurate for your own unit, manually replacing the initially reported value and saving them at any time. The images are configurable by the user. Simply click on the images of the home, batteries, power inverter, choosing the one you want. The images or photographs are saved in their images directory of the software installation. For a matter of quality of the set, images of their PNG type with transparent background are suggested, although BMP and JPG are also supported. Exactly the same with the images of the E-Stron STM meters. The software will be found briefly in the downloads sector of https://powerforum.go.za/ totally free in short time. It is LikeWare type, so I only ask for a like if they use it. Regards.